Okay, I just thought I'd do a part 2 of video of removing the camshaft pulley. Um, and the reason for that is that it was quite a bit of a pain in the ass. And as you can see there, I've got a washer on top of a socket on top of the bolt. As you can see, there's space there, and that's due to the bolt. So it took a bit of fiddling around to get this. As you can see, this pulley puller has 2 holes for it, and it changes the angle. If I put it on this hole, the angle would be too much of an angle, and the jaws would slide off. So I moved it here so that the angle is more this way. And if there was another one, that would be even better. And if this part was longer, if these tabs here were longer, it would be even better. As you can see, it's not really the best grip, but it's going. So, and the reason why, especially if there's just me here, so it was not fun putting that there. And the reason I'm using a socket and the bolt, that normal bolt that went there, is to keep the bolt, stop this from sliding off. Otherwise, it's just really hard to try to hold everything together with one hand. And the washer here helps this rotate without rotating the socket, but I still have to hold it, and I still have to twist this part out. And because you see, if I try to just tighten it, it will spin the socket with it, and we don't want that. So I got to hold the socket while I tighten that, and then once the pulley touches the socket, I got to back this off a little bit, not too much, otherwise it will fall off. Back this off, loosen the socket off, and then tighten the bolt back on. And but I mean, you just got to get creative and try different things. I'm not sure the manual mentions a camshaft pulley tool. I'm not sure of that, but there's no threaded holes on it. So unlike the vibration dampener, you see it's got 2 holes there with threads on them, and then you'd put that tool on it, thread the bolts in, and remove it that way. But obviously we skipped that. The crankshaft pulley gear wasn't too hard to remove. Just use the same thing, same approach. But this one here, it's a little bit more difficult. I tried putting it in through those holes as well, and I had no luck. They're inclined, so the jaws slide off. I wish there was something in the middle, sort of like the cylinder hones, so that it would press the jaws outwards. I bet you that something like that exists, but I've never seen it, and if it does exist, it's certainly not cheap. But this is working, and yeah, so there you have it. Just my method here. Never seen. Maybe some AMC people can use this.